एक बांग्लादेश जो बना और इंदिरा गांधी जी ने सपोर्ट किया, आई वांट टू आस्क सिंस यू आर फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल ना, असम सॉरी नियर बाई से, तो ये बांग्लादेश में व्हाट वाज फंडामेंटली रॉन्ग व्हेन यू नो इंडिया वाज डिवाइडेड, देयर वाज पाकिस्तान एंड देयर वाज इंडिया एंड दिस बांग्लादेश वाज पार्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, वी कॉल ईस्ट पाकिस्तान. तो व्हाट वाज द फंडामेंटल रीजन दैट इट हैज emerged as an independent country? क्या रिजेंटमेंट था, बेसिक रीजन क्या था?
Linguistic difference, sir. The East Pakistan, they were Urdu speaking people dominantly. Sorry, sir, West Pakistan. And East Pakistan, they were Bengali. They spoke the Bengali dialect.
पर तुमको बंगाली बोलने देते हैं. मतलब why it became such a big political issue that it became an independent country?
So the language was uniformly imposed on them, and they were treated as second-class citizens.
That later on they agreed for the this Bangla language in East Pakistan as an official language. Is it correct? It was initially, yes, they imposed Urdu, but later on when resentment was going on, there were some other reasons also.
So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman also had his own political teams.
बात होगी कि कोई ना कोई emerge हो जाएगा, because adequate attention was not being paid. Okay, just tell me about Citizenship Amendment Act.
Sir, in context to Assam,
अभी recently नहीं, जो अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने अमेंड किया है ना 2019 में, what exactly is the amendment?
so it seeks to provide citizenship to the non-Muslim communities from 3 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh.
What are the non-Muslim communities? Can you name them?
Yes, so the six communities, they are Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, Christians, Hindus, and Sikh.
तो फिर resentment क्यों था? What was wrong with that? There's a lot of protests taking place in Shaheen Bagh, and recently it was in news that 2 of the fellows were not granted bail even by the Supreme Court. So why there was so much of hue and cry against this amendment?
So 2 reasons for protest. For mainland India, it was basically that why citizenship would be given just based on religion. And for Assam particularly, it was that because we had already faced the Bangladeshi influx in 1971, and the cutoff date was 25th March 1971. And this time the cutoff date was extended to 31st December 2014. So that was one of the reasons why Northeast was upset.
Religion के बेस पे क्यों नहीं दे सकते? Because they were being, you know, tortured there. We wanted to protect them. तो सर बात कह रहे थे, अब यहाँ पे भी आएंगे, यहाँ पे भी सिटीजनशिप ना दें, वहाँ पे भी मरने दें, तो क्या करें फिर? मतलब प्रोटेस्ट का रीजन क्या था?
प्रोटेस्ट का रीजन तो सर वही था क्योंकि सिटीजनशिप में they were given citizenship based on religion. But however,
do you agree? Was there anything wrong? Was it legally allowed? And you are a student of political science,
yes,
na?
sir.
So under what provisions of law it was allowed?
So Article 14 of the Constitution, Supreme Court has ruled that reasonable classification is allowed.
So there was reasonable classification that the minorities were suffering and majority why should we give? And उन्होंने उसका बंद नहीं किया था. So then why protest? Protests were reasonable or unreasonable?
Protest was unreasonable, sir. That's what I feel.